Alrighty, guys. So this is Mr. Stacker, and we are going to pick our winner. Let's go. So we're going to go to the YouTube comment generator, and we're going to copy this in here. We're going to filter duplicates, include the replies, and we don't need to blacklist anybody just yet. Let's see how many comments we ended up with. We have 15 unique comments for our first giveaway. Let's go ahead and see who wins. Dun, 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 dun. Nightkill Gaming, congratulations. Comments, I want silver. And looks like we got ourselves a winner. Congratulations. You have just won the very first giveaway of Mr. Stacker's 100 subscribers giveaway. Congratulations. See you on the next video.